Welcome to my first ever Heartopia tutorial. I'm Rini and I have a fun build trick that I'd like to share. It's mainly to suspend things in midair, but it can be used for hidden doors, floating windows, custom fencing, and for placing bigger objects on smaller surfaces. Let's get started! First, build a wall to the height you'd like to suspend your object. Next, create a surface for your object to sit on. Some objects are bigger than others, but with most big objects, 4 squares is enough room. The idea is to start with more squares than you need and to delete the excess after. Next is the most important step. You must be sure to stick your object to the exact square you want to suspend it with. This can be done by lining up your aim directly on the tile you plan to attach it to. To test that you have connected your object to the right tile, you can grab the tiles you plan to delete, and if the object comes with, click the X button and then replace the object back in the correct position. After that, you can delete all the excess tiles that aren't needed, and voila! You have your floating object. And with corner pieces, if you repeat the method 4 times, you can create a nice cute little gazebo floating in the air. Now that I taught you how to do my trick, here are a couple other fun ways you can use it. Specifically with teddy bears, you need a larger surface to start with. Objects like bears, you may want to be lined up a very specific way, and the normal 4 squares just doesn't cut it. But if you follow the method, delete all the excess, and voila! Floating teddy bear. So cute! I also like to use this trick to fit bigger objects onto smaller surfaces. When you want to hang something on your wall, but it exceeds the space you want to give it, lower the shelves to the height of a snow block. Place snow blocks in front of them. Then move your object where you want it, making sure you aim at the shelf when setting it into place. Once it's attached to the right block, you can remove the excess, and voila! So cute! Are you tired of normal doors? Looking for a cute way to hide the entrance to a secret room? Well, you can also use my method to make this work too. The medium paintings can hide a half-wall sized hole, which is just big enough to climb in and out of, so I think it could make for a great secret door. Same trick as always, place 1 half tile to fill the hole temporarily. The tile below that will be our anchor that we hook our painting onto. Walls are a lot more strict and picky, so it's harder to do my trick on them, but it's not impossible. And once it's set in place, voila! You have a new secret door. Now that we understand using this trick on walls, let's make floating curtains. These new curtains from the latest gacha are oh so cute, and I think curtains in general are a fun idea. With my trick, you can make any entrance even more enchanting. Removing the need of a full wall frees up more space for decorating, and looks really pretty too. By now this trick should start to feel easier, having done it a few different ways, a few different times. And for the rest of the video, I'll let play even more examples of the trick in use. Also, I haven't said this in the video yet, but make sure you toggle precision mode on. It allows you to be more specific in where you want to place your objects. I'm not the first person to think of anything, but I'm just happy to share things because I know there's a lot of people that struggle with building, and we could all use a little bit of help. And if we can just share a little bit of our tricks with each other, I feel like all our builds could be really, really pretty. So this is just my way of paying it forward and helping out others who want to be able to build cute things like I do. Well, thank you so much for watching, sending all my good thoughts and all my positive vibes. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Heartopia!